Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Facebook account to a Facebook page, and you can do it easily. So first of all, just open the Play Store application and make sure that you are using the latest version of Facebook application. So if there is any update, just make sure to update. After updating, just tap on this open, and now you just have to tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner and then tap on your name to go to your profile. So as you can see, it's a normal profile, like it's my account. I just want to convert this account into a page. Now just tap on these three dots, and now you can find this turn on professional mode, the last option. You just have to tap on it, tap on this turn on. So you just have to complete these setups, and now if you go back and you can see this, I don't have friends, I have followers now. So I have converted my Facebook account into a page. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.